Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to chat with Wix Support. So let's go to the browser first, and then you have to write here wix.com/contact. Then you can see many things here. You have to click on any things you want, any problem. Now you can write here domain connecting issue. Click on now. No, it's something else. Now you can write here start a live chat. Now you can see here start a live chat. An expert will join us up. You have to click on this, and then you can see here waiting for an agent to join. A agent will lively join here. You can see that Camila Morales joined the conversation. Now you can talk to her directly in live chat. Okay guys, so this is how you can chat with Wix support. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.